I am going to deal today one of the topics of commercial communication subject of semester 3. The topic is titled as leadership qualities. So let us try to understand who is a leader, what do you mean by qualities, what are the leadership qualities, and who are the leader people, great people who have actually imbibe these qualities or developed qualities in them. Let us begin with the word who is a leader. A very familiar word. Many of us know the word leader. Throughout the day we use the word leader. But sometimes when a particular concept is to be defined, it is very difficult. So let us try to understand it, the concept, and then we will try to define it, and slowly and gradually we will talk about the qualities of a leader. Leader is someone who guides other people. A simple understanding. Who is a leader? So leader is someone who guides other people. Guide, giving direction to other people. Leader is someone or something that is ahead of others in a race of competition. Another concept could be like this. Leader is a powerful person. After all, he is a person like you and me. So leader is a powerful person who controls or influences what other people do. He or she influences other people. He or she controls, governs other people. Their way of working, their way of doing a particular work gets affected by the leader. John C. Maxwell has defined the concept of leader so wonderfully, so beautifully, so precisely that students, you must try to remember it. Leader, what John Maxwell says, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. So that means leader is a person who knows the way, how to tackle the situation, how to run the company, how to run the business, how to resolve the queries. So leader knows the way. Leader also goes on that way. So whatever leader talks, the leader practices also. If the leader talks about time management, the leader does not talk. A good leader follows also. That means goes on the way. And if the followers of that leader are confused, they need guidance, the leader would be in a position to show the way also. So that is why simply we can say a leader is a person who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Another wonderful quality is about leadership is like this. Being a leader is being human. Wonderful line. Being a leader is being a human. That means if you want to be a good leader, one of the basic qualities that you must develop in you, you must have that quality that is called human quality. You must be in a position to understand the humanitarian qualities. What do you mean by a leadership? Now you know what is a leader. So let us try to understand the concept of leadership. What do you mean by leadership? Leadership is the art of getting someone else to do something you want done because he wants to do it. Understand, if I try to simplify it, leadership is an art of getting other people do something as per your wish and as per the wish of other people. So it is an art, and this art encourages other people to do the work as the leader wishes. How wonderful it is. So leadership is basically a quality. It is, and if you talk about business environment or in a business setting, you can say this can mean directing workers and colleagues with a strategy to meet the needs of the company. Whatever needs of the company are to be met, and for that leader has to direct, leader has to show way to his her colleagues or workers. What do you mean by the word qualities? In the word leadership qualities, qualities means characteristics, qualities means features, qualities means those personality traits in you that differentiates you from another individual. An ordinary person and a leader. What makes an ordinary person a great leader or a leader? Certain qualities. So these features, these personality traits are known as leadership qualities. What are the leadership qualities then? What are those personality traits? If you wish to be a good leader, you can develop them also. It is also said, leaders are not trained, but they are born. But there are certain successful people who were not born as leaders, but they train themselves by developing certain qualities of a leader. So what are the leadership qualities? Some of the important leadership qualities are honesty, commitment, creativity, communication, attitude, ambition, energy, decision making, vision, mission. So varieties of the qualities are found in different leaders. It is not necessary that one leader possesses all the qualities, but we should try to imbibe more and more qualities on us, so we could convert ourselves now from a leader to a great leader. Let us talk in brief some of the important qualities. Honesty. Leader must be honest. Leader must be transparent in his act, in his behavior, in his actions, in his communication. The leader should be honest with his her employees, with his her colleagues, workers, stakeholders in general. Leader must be committed. He must be committed to his work. Leader must be committed to his job. Leader must be committed to his organization. Leader must be committed to its services, to the product. Leader must have the ability to find out the problem solution by applying the concept of creativity. Creativity is very important in any leader. Creativity can be termed as a very known word nowadays which is used in business transaction. Thinking out of box, that is called creativity. Whenever there is any problem, leaders should be in a position to find out it with an idea, with a new idea, with creative idea, by thinking out of box. Leader must be good at communication. Communication includes not only to talk, but only to listen. So leader must develop the habit of talking and listening as well. So if you wish to be a good leader, develop the habit of reading, leading, as well as listening other people. Leader must have a positive attitude. Attitude plays a very important role. And if the leader shows those qualities, automatically other people will follow him. Leader must have a very good sense of humor. And sense of humor reduces the tension, the stress of the employees. They work in a better environment. Automatically, the productivity of the organization improves. Leader must have the ability of delegating the task. Leader must show those qualities to assign the work to his or employees as per their abilities, their choices, and their limitations too. And automatically, company will get the better results. Leader must have the energy to work round the clock 24 by 7 with the same energy and with the same efficiency. Leader must have the ambition that I must do something for my people, for my organization, for my employees. Leader must have the vision that my company should reach up to this level after few years. Must have inspiring qualities within himself or herself. And most importantly, leader must have the managerial skills. Leader should be in a position to manage the available resources, the workforce in such a way that company gets the better results, employees get or give maximum output. So leadership is very important nowadays. You could be a good leader. Some of the people have already good leadership qualities, but either they do not know it or they do not reflect them. After listening or after knowing these qualities, now students start developing these qualities in you. Try to be a great leader. Try to be a successful businessman by following these leadership qualities. India has produced great leaders, and you know it very well that great leader Mahatma Gandhi, great leader Abdul Kalam ji, you can name as many people as you wish. Find out the people who have these qualities. Follow them. Or develop these qualities on you and make other people follow you.